In this short video, I'll show you step by step how you can connect your custom domain with your System.io account so you can actually build your own funnel with System.io with your custom domain. Because if you use your custom domain to build your funnel, so that will look more professional, and whenever you bring traffic from your social media platform, so they will not think that you are a scam and they will trust more on you, hence you will get more sales of your digital product or services, right? So now let's move on to my computer screen and see how we can connect it. But before getting started, if you are tired of the daily grind, then let's build the life of freedom together. Join my Facebook group where people of all ages are actually learning how to create passive income by online selling and affiliate marketing with no money. And after joining that Facebook group, you can just shoot me up the message. Then as per your condition, I will guide you the exact roadmap that will actually work. Because if you are not able to make money online yet, that means you are just watching YouTube videos, you are having too many information in your mind and you don't know where to start. So if you learn from my proven strategies which actually work, then you will be able to achieve your goal. So let's start your journey today. Alright guys, so as you can see here, I'm on my laptop right now, and from here I have opened two websites. Number one is System.io, like I'm on my dashboard, and number two is Hostinger, because I have purchased my domain from Hostinger. But no worries if you have purchased your domain from GoDaddy, Namecheap or any other platform, so the whole method will be the same, right? So to connect your custom domain with your System.io account, you have to go on your dashboard, and from there on the top right corner you have to click on this drop down menu and click on settings. And from there on the left side you have to scroll down and you have to find this custom domain tab. So when you click on that tab, so here you can see that the default domain is ways2sellonline.system.io. But now I want to connect my main domain, which is ways2sellonline.com. So in order to connect that, I have to click on add domain on the top right corner, and here I have to type my complete original domain like www.ways2sellonline.com. And after typing my whole address, I have to click on save. So as soon as I click on save, you can see that DNS configuration for your domain. So it will give me some configuration, like these are two lines, this is number one and this is number two. So basically these are two records called CNAME record, and we need to type that same record into our hosting domain. So our domain name provider can actually know like where I want to redirect my main domain site, like whatever traffic I'm coming on ways2sellonline.com on my main domain, I want to redirect that traffic to this System.io account or landing page, right? So after getting this DNS configuration, I have to go on my service provider website and log into there, just like I'm logging to Hostinger. So that process will be same to Hostinger, Namecheap and GoDaddy. So from the Hostinger, on the left side you can see that I can see multiple tabs like websites, domains, email and VPS. So that will show me how many websites I'm having and how many domains I'm having. So just like that, if I click on domain portfolio, so here you can see that I'm the owner of these two domains on this Hostinger. As I want to connect this one, ways2sellonline.com, so I need to click on this manage, and then from this page I need to find out DNS name server. So on this Hostinger I can see on the left side, but on your side if you're not using Hostinger, so you might need to find out or scroll down to find DNS name server. So as soon as you find, you have to click on DNS name server and then you have to go down. So basically this is a list where you have to add your name server. These are some rows and these are some columns. So the columns name are type, name, priority and content. So these are the lines like CNAME record I have already entered, and now from this field 1, 2, 3 and 4 I have to add two more lines like CNAME record from there, these two lines, right? So as you can see that both record I have to enter are CNAME. So first of all let's add this first one. So here you can see that www, I need to copy that, and here I need to add that like CNAME, and in name I need to add www, and in the target I need to add this whole line, copy and paste. After pasting these two lines, we need to click on add record, and now that record has been added, and now we need to do the same thing with our second record, which is also a CNAME record. So let's just keep this as CNAME, and from this www we need to remove, and from here we need to copy this line till dot, right? So before dot we have to copy this, we have to paste this, and then we have to copy the whole this line, and here we have to paste this line, and then we have to click on add record. So as soon as I click on add record, so our both record which are CNAME record has been added into our name server. When you go on your System.io account and close this and click on refresh, so here you can see that it is showing me pending validation. So after 15 to 20 minutes, if your record has been added successfully, then this status pending validation will change to ready to use, and then you will be able to use your custom domain with your System.io account. So in future, whenever you create any funnel, any course or any ebook, so you can actually land your traffic from your custom domain to your System.io funnels. So that's it for today guys. I hope you really enjoyed the video and learned something great from it. So if you find my content really informative and helpful for you, then make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel as well, so you can watch more and more videos like this in future. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.